How you going? Lincoln here from Landfish TV. In this video, I've dug up some footage of when we were absolutely smashing the bay trout, which are juvenile Australian salmon, at the mouth of the Yarra River here. If you Google Newport, it'll pop up on Google. Otherwise, Google the warmies and it'll pop up just there. But we were actually just here on this little rock, and we were casting out, and we were absolutely smashing the salmon over a couple of days. Now, they weren't huge, but they were great fun on light gear. We did end up getting a bit bored of them after a few days, so we stopped going. But basically what we're doing is we're going either early morning or late afternoon, just on this little rock area here. And matching that up with the tide change, we had a lot of the juvenile salmon coming up and down this section of the river. And what would happen is you'd see the seagulls, and the seagulls would go up and down with the salmon. So you'd be casting the edge of that and you'd be picking it up. Great fun, pretty easy location to get to. You also catch a bunch of fish here in the warmies outlet as well. You've probably seen me fish in there and catch a few things. I'll actually add a clip at the end where I catch a decent salmon just in here. Anyway, plastics and small slugs did the damage, and it was great fun just fishing off here and having a ball. So early morning, birds are about 300 meters away, working their way up. See if we can get some salmon. First one for the morning. Just in this tiny little pocket just here. Yeah. Yeah, all here. Like tuna fishing. Well, this is like a hectic 5 minutes. Yeah. There you go.
Any luck?
No, not yet, but it looks like there was a couple of schools near the mouth over there, because the birds were going hectic before.
They're literally like, every now and then, like, bust up for like 10 seconds and go off. Like,
they were at our feet yesterday all through here.
yeah.
I walked back and I just put my lure like this, boop, and caught one.
I was gonna come earlier, but I literally, like, I was watching Netflix and lost track of time.
You're awake at like 3:30 like me.
Wait, did you sleep or did you just wake up at that time?
No, I went to bed, but then I slept for like an hour, and then I couldn't sleep, so I was like, oh, I'll stuff up and go fishing.
Man, they are going crazy over there. Look at them over there.
They should move up. The birds were going absolutely spastic
like,
before.
You never chase them here because they move so much up and down. So you just stay in your spot and then eventually they'll come.
But it was funny, they were like busting up at everyone's feet yesterday.
Yeah, it was literally like right there.
Yeah, because I drove and caught one here straight away, and I caught a bunch here. Then I went to Williamstown and I parked the car, and they were busting up there again. I was like, what the hell?
There's so many small salmon around.
They make good liveys for juice. Oh, I've got a fish or a seagull? Fish. I wasn't quite sure. Because yesterday I caught a seagull and they're all over there.
A fish or a seagull? I'm not sure.
I was looking for those flapping wings. Oh, it's huge.
You just need one 5 times the size.
Oh, there you go, double hook up. My rod's bending more than yours.
There's one. There we go.
Easy release.
I actually prefer that.
With these trebles, they grab it on the end and they've got all 3 in them.
And Lincoln's on the little. Just literally out, letting it drift. Just need one around 3 times bigger than that now. I'm not tangled in that.
I know, we both onto the same fish? No? That'd be on you. Oi! Almost trebled Ryan. That would have been the biggest catch of the day. Boat buckle. Oh. No, you need like a trout rod or something.
Hey, 2-pound line. Hey, he's on.
First fish for the day? Oh, geez, that came in fast.
He sometimes wears this like Pikachu hat. You know the one where you get pressed and then like the ears
Yeah.
flop? He wears that and then he has
Oh, I might have to change to a plastic.
Or maybe try a little vibe.
Yeah, but trebles. I just want to change to a plastic now because of the trebles. There we go, change over to a single. Now I'm not going to complain so much about trebles.
Remember the video I showed you with the Finesse 38 when I got the treble stuck in my finger?
Yeah. Well, remember when you pulled one out of my bloody finger?
Yeah. That video, I'm literally like, ah,
Yeah.
ow, ah.
You sound like you were getting banged, man. How's it go again?
What? Yeah, something like that. Hiya.
There we go. Go and get a triple. Come on. You gotta get one. No. Oh, triple. Oh, just on the other direction. Doesn't look as good for the thumbnail. No. Oh, you just cut out the bait fish.
Yeah, plastic matches it perfectly.
Well, there you go. That's a little white bait that it's eaten. It'd be funny if it was still kicking.
Yeah. Maybe that one's not big enough. Exactly right, Ryan.
It's like an inch away.
That's what Ryan enjoys told him. About an inch away. Wow.
Sounds like some honest feedback there.